Hey trumpets, we're going to play Hot Cross Buns today. Here we go. The new note in this song is the C. It happens in the second measure, the fourth measure, fifth measure, and the last measure. That C is played open. It's the easiest thing we do. And when you first started playing the trumpet, it might have been the first note you actually played. So don't tell the flutes and saxophones and everybody else, but this is like really easy for us. Don't forget that when you play D, you need to kick out. I was kicking out every time I played the note, which is the correct practice for playing trumpet. However, as you heard, whenever I went to pull back in, my trumpet would move a little bit, jostle, because I need to actually have my hands placed like this instead of like this. And I also need to grease up my third valve slide a little bit. Just food for thought as you guys are using that third valve slide. Keep it greased up with tuning slide grease that should have came in your case. If it didn't, go get some from the music store. The only hard part about this song that I think you might encounter is the challenge with playing those C's and D's in one phrase in measure 5. So real quick, will you try that with me and after me? That needs to be one stream of air. I'm not stopping my belly and my air coming out of my body. I'm just interrupting it with my tongue. Be sure to use the breath marks and the rests as indicators as to when you should breathe and stop the airflow. Da, da, da. Break the air. Breath. Da, da, da. Breath. Da, 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 da. Break the air for that quarter rest. Break the air for that quarter rest, and then play the last note. Be sure that the last two measures sound very different than the first two. As opposed to. If you made it that far, practice it in small chunks and make sure that you're prepared with your fingers and your mind before you try to play and record it. You guys are awesome. Keep up the good work. Bye-bye.